Good morning and welcome to today's lecture on correlative conjunctions. In English grammar, conjunctions are words that connect ideas, but correlative conjunctions are a special category. They always work in pairs and link together elements that have equal grammatical importance. You may think of them as partners who always appear together. If you see one, you must see the other. Otherwise, the sentence will be incomplete or incorrect. Our goal in this lecture is to understand what correlative conjunctions are, learn the most common pairs, explore the rules for using them, and examine examples of correct and incorrect usage. We will also look at common mistakes and how to avoid them. So, a correlative conjunction is a pair of words that work together to connect two equal parts of a sentence, whether those parts are single words, phrases, or even entire clauses. Some of the most common correlative conjunction pairs in English are both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or, such that, as. Let's look at examples. 1. Both and. Both the teacher and the students enjoy the workshop. Here, the pair connects two noun phrases, the teacher and the students. 2. Either or. You can have either coffee or tea. This presents two options. 3. Neither nor. Neither the manager nor the assistants were in the office. This expresses a negative choice. Both options are ruled out. 4. Not only, but also. She is not only intelligent, but also creative. This adds emphasis, showing two equally strong qualities. 5. Whether or. We need to decide whether to start now or wait until tomorrow. This expresses alternatives, often for decision making. Such that, this is number 6. It was such a hot day that we stayed indoors. This shows cause and effect. And finally, number 7, as. She is as tall as her brother. This is used for comparison. Key grammar rules. When using correlative conjunctions, there are 3 important rules to follow. Rule 1. Parallel structure. The grammatical form after each part of the pair should be the same. For example, correct. She is not only a talented singer, but also a skilled dancer. We have here noun phrase plus noun phrase. Incorrect. She is not only a talented singer, but also dances well. Here we have noun phrase plus verb phrase. Mismatch. Rule 2. Subject-verb agreement. When the correlative conjunction connects two subjects, the verb should agree with the part of the subject closest to it. Example: either my parents or my brother is coming. Or neither my manager or neither the manager nor the employees are available. Rule 3. Correct pairing. Each part of the conjunction must be matched correctly. Either always goes with or, neither always goes with nor, and so on. Mixing them results in an error. Functions and style. Correlative conjunctions are useful for several purposes. 1. Emphasis. Not only, but also adds weight to a statement. Example, he is not only hardworking, but also highly creative. 2. Presenting alternatives. Either or and whether or show choices. For example, either you start now or you will miss the deadline. 3. Showing contrast. Some forms like just as, so express balanced contrast. Example 3. Showing contrast. Some forms like just as, so express balanced contrast. For example, just as the sun rises in the east, so it sets in the west. 4. Comparison. As is common for comparing qualities. For example, she is as determined as her father. 5. Cause and effect, such that clearly links cause to outcome. For example, it was such a quiet night that we could hear the leaves falling. So, from a style perspective, correlative conjunctions create balance and rhythm in writing, making sentences more engaging and memorable. However, overusing them can make writing feel heavy. They should be used when the paired relationship is truly necessary. Examples and analysis. Let's examine some examples in detail. Example 1. Both the city council and the resident agreed to the proposal. Here, two noun phrases are connected, showing agreement from both groups. Example 2. You can either apply for the scholarship now or wait until next year. This sentence presents two possible actions with either matched to or. Example 3. The film was not only entertaining but also educational. Two adjectives are connected, giving a fuller description. Example 4. Neither the rain nor the wind could stop the parade. Two subjects are linked to create a negative statement. Example 5. The lecture was such a success that the hall was full to capacity. This shows cause, success, and effect, full hall. Notice that in each example, the two parts connected by the conjunction have the same grammatical structure and are logically parallel. Common mistakes. Learners often make predictable mistakes with the correlative conjunctions, like, for example, omitting the second part of the pair. Incorrect, she is both smart. Correct, she is both smart and diligent. Mixing mismatched pairs. Incorrect, either we go now and we stay here. Correct, either we go now or we stay here. Breaking parallel structure. Incorrect, he is not only a great leader but also inspires others. Correct, he is not only a great leader, but also a great motivator. Misplacing the conjunctions. The paired words should be placed directly before the items they are connecting. So in conclusion, to summarize, correlative conjunctions are pairs of words that function together to connect elements of equal importance in a sentence. They require 1. Parallel structure, matching grammar on both sides. 2. Proper pairing, correct combinations like either or neither nor. 3. Attention to subject-verb agreement when linking subjects. Used correctly, they add clarity, emphasis, and balance to both writing and speech. As you read and listen to English, try to notice these pairs and see how they shape meaning. Then, when you write, use them deliberately and accurately to improve the quality of your expression. That concludes our lecture on correlative conjunctions. Thank you.